In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Boolean search terms to improve the outcomes of your search efforts. In this first example, we're talking about the AND Boolean search term, AND in all caps. In this example, when you use AND or AND Boolean search term between two keyword terms or subject terms in the library's databases, the database looks for the articles that have education and technology in them, and it returns those results first, and all of the other results will be underneath it. So this is a kind of relevancy ranking that can help you when you're scrolling through thousands of search results. So those that are presented first tend to be those that have both of your search terms in those search results. The next Boolean search term we'll look at is OR, O-R in all capital letters, placed between two keywords or subject terms. Different from using AND, where both subject terms have to show up, when you use OR between subject terms, you're asking the database to look for articles that have either search term in the search results. So this is where your list of synonyms and related subject terms comes into play and can result in a more in-depth search for you. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how these work in a real-life search.